Alright, so recently I visited to a trade fair in my city and I took amazing photos and videos. Then suddenly one idea came in my mind. Can I wear these amazing photos? Because everyone is going somewhere, wants to wear some of the photos what they capture, like mom and dad photo, like children photos, like memories, the beach and everything. So I decided to create an amazing t-shirt design right inside the Canva by using photos. You can not only design the t-shirt for your loved ones, you can also start a new business around print on demand. Create a design inside the Canva and then you can get it print any print on demand website. So you can also start a new business by using this cool hack. So let's dive into this amazing, memorable videos. Let's have it. First thing first, just bring your laptop and open Canva and click on this printable. And now you can search the t-shirt and you will see a couple of different sizes, but you need to select the default one, which is first one. So you can see the blank canvas, whatever the element, whatever the images you are putting here, you will definitely wear that. So just select here and click on this upload. And now click on this upload file. You can add all the images which you want to add. Just I'm selecting this two images here, which is covering all the vibes which I enjoyed there. So this is two images. I have already separately created a folder for it. You can see fair and fun. So I think these two images is good. This one and this one. So it's very hard to select one. So first I'm just to scale a little and just select this image, click on this edit and you can scroll a little down. You can see this vectorify. This is the magic app. So now you can see here we have two options. First full color and the black and white. If you are a person who wants to wear black and white, then you can definitely click on this and add to convert to a vector. But I will suggest you to use this full color and click on this convert to a vector. It will generate outstanding results. Okay, so here we have our image. So now you can see different color palette is available. So you can select the one. It's very difficult to select one because each and every palette looks good to me. So this one or this one. Okay, I think this one is good. So you can also edit any particular color you want to edit in your design. So I'm going to edit this one. So now you can see I'm just clicking on this add to design. So now you can see my vectorized image is added in the canvas. I'm deleting folder one, you can see. So if you are a person who is not very good at design, so I will show you the little tricky process how you can create amazing t-shirt designs. So you can scale a little up this one and adjust your image into the canvas. Also, I'm selecting the same background color for my page to avoid different colors. So now you can just head to this design here and here you will get couple of different templates for the t-shirt. So you can just add any of the template which you like in the page. So you can see this is the font and this is. So what you can do, you can just copy this Ctrl C and paste it here. That's it. That's the only thing you need to do. And paste it here. Now you can add the text like I'm here writing the fair nostalgia. Okay, just changing it color to red to look more contrasted. So I'm taking another text here and putting it like this and put the explode here. And I'm also added the color of this one to bluish, which I have already have in my design. So the darker one. Okay, so now it's looking pretty amazing. Fair nostalgia. This is amazing. Bold, punchy lines. Okay. Now I'm gonna add one more text at bottom. So you can see this is the text part I'm just selecting. So whatever things you want to include in your design, you can also select and edit it as you go. So I will just keep it like this and delete my page. So now you can see this is my t-shirt design I've created in few minutes right inside the Canva. So what I'm gonna do, and just click on this here and download. And if you wants to get it print, then click on this Canva prints and select the t-shirt size. Some of the country it is not available. So what you can do, you can just download it and share any on print on demand website. I highly recommend you to get it print with the Canva. If you want, you can just check out the description link to get amazing print software. So in this way, you can also create amazing t-shirt designs right inside the Canva and wear all your memories and get it print with Canva prints. Till then, take care of yourself, Tata, and bye bye. See you into the next amazing video. I make videos about Canva and other AI stuff. So if you enjoy, do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Signing off. So